This is for the teachers on how to invite your students to become a member. So students, if you are watching this video, you can go ahead and stop because it really doesn't relate to you. Okay, so teachers, you want to sign in, which I've already done. So you want to sign in. And once you sign in, you want to go to Manage Wiki. Now, I have already made you an organizer. So an organizer allows you to invite members. Your students will just become members. So we're going to invite people, and we're not going to do an email. We're just going to send it using their username. So you could have done email addresses, but I think usernames are a lot easier, so I did usernames. So for an example, you might say Silly Sam, comma, Billy Boy, etc. And that's how you would, comma, Larry Lamb, and that's, you would type in all of your usernames, student usernames. So you might want to keep track using that tracker that I built for you guys so that you know which ones you've already invited, because I'm sure there's going to be some kids who haven't signed up, etc. So you want to be able to keep track and keep them coming. And then you can either keep this message like this, or you can change this message however you want, and then click send. And then after you're done, that what it will do is it will send an invitation to the student's email address. And then you need to let your students know they have to go into that email and then actually, accept it. So there's usually a link that says accept. Later on, after you know that students have accepted, you want to come back to manage the wiki. You want to go into members, and their usernames will show up here. And then what you want to do is you want to, or pending membership, maybe it comes in here. And then you want to click on the box and say that you want them to be a member, and then it moves them up into the membership column. So we can change them. For an example, I could go here, and because I'm the creator, I could change her to a member, or I'm sorry, to an organizer. So I can make her an organizer. And if I want to go back, I can go back to demote to a member. So remember, you want all your students to be members. So, as I'm thinking about it, if we're going to have different classrooms, we may want to have some kind of code at the end of each username that we know is coming from your specific teacher. So maybe when you have the kids create their username, at the end of their username, maybe they create your classroom number, or the number 24. So everybody has 24 at the end of their username. So that way you know that that's one of your students versus a student from another classroom. So I'll build that into the lesson plan. Okay, and then so that's how you do that. And then don't forget to sign out. And if you have any questions, just email me, or go to the website and create a comment, and I'll get back with you right away. I've created a home, and this is for the teachers to keep track of when other classes are potentially going to be starting the lesson. That way you guys can maybe organize a little bit as well. And then on our introductions, at some point in time, you're going to be sending me, or you can type in, once you've got an account, you can type in your location. And if you send me a picture, what I can do is I'm going to change this to a different map one, and I will put the picture of either your school logo, or a picture of the front of your school, or the picture of your students. And then I can put a location as to where they're at. I don't know that we want a picture of the students, but maybe we could do a picture of the outside of the school, or maybe a school logo, and you can send me a picture of that or an image of that, and then I can put that into the map, and we can see where all the different schools that have used this site have been located. And then eventually, once we get up and running, I would like you or a student to come in here and create a comment. So I've created one first. So if you click on me. Hi, this is Mrs. Whip, the site coordinator of the Global Learning Project. Wow, that's a billion? I am located. So this is a way for us to introduce each of our classrooms in a more personal way. So if you send me again a picture of your logo or outside of your school with your name on it, what I can do is upload it to this voice thread, and then you can click on your school logo, and then you can just, add a welcome, hi, who you are, and maybe if you speak a different language, how you guys would say a billion in your language. And if you have a different language, maybe you could write me how you spell your language, and I'll put that on with your picture as well. So this would be something we would like to do, just to kind of introduce ourselves, so over time people can kind of see again all the different people that have joined this wonderful global learning project. I hope you found this useful. And again, send me a comment or a question at any time. Thank you.